In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture in Canva template 2025, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your designs and uploads save properly. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button near the top. Click it to choose the kind of design you're working on, like an Instagram post, presentation, or poster. This helps Canva load the right size and gives you template suggestions that fit your project. When your design space opens, browse the templates that appear or search for a style you like. Pick a template that matches your layout and includes a photo area you want to replace. Click the template to open it in the editor. You'll see your canvas in the center and a toolbar along the left side. To bring in your own image, go to the left sidebar and click the Uploads tab. This is your library for photos, videos, and other assets. Next, click Upload Files. Choose the photo from your computer or select a file from your usual storage location. Canva supports common image formats like JPG and PNG. For best results, select a high-quality image so it looks crisp in your final design. After you select the file, wait for it to finish uploading. You'll see a thumbnail appear in the Uploads panel when it's ready. Larger files may take a moment, so keep the tab open during this process. Once the image appears, you're good to go. Now, replace the template photo. Click and drag your uploaded image from the Uploads panel onto the picture area in the template. When you hover over the existing image, you should see it highlight. Release your mouse, and Canva will snap your photo into place, replacing the old one. If it doesn't swap immediately, try dropping the image directly over the photo placeholder. You can fine-tune the placement by double-clicking the photo to reposition or resize within the frame, ensuring the subject sits perfectly. Use the crop and position tools as needed to center the important parts of your image. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the picture in a Canva template. You can repeat the same drag and drop process for any other images in the template. Canva auto-saves your changes so you won't lose your work as you go. When you're happy with the result, you're ready to continue designing, add text or elements, and finish your project with a clean, professional look.